Welcome. In this quick and easy guide, I'll show you how to turn on voice message transcripts on WhatsApp. This is one of the latest and most useful features that makes chatting easier than ever, especially when you can't listen to voice notes out loud. So let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're using the latest version since this feature may not appear on older updates. Once you're in the app, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see three dots. Go ahead and tap those. From the small menu that appears, select Settings. Next, tap Chats. This is where you'll find most of the customization options for your messages and appearance. Scroll down the page until you see an option that says Voice Message Transcripts. This is the feature we're looking for. Now, tap on it. You'll see a section to choose your language. Pick the one you prefer. This tells WhatsApp what language to use when it turns your audio messages into text. After you've chosen your language, tap Setup Now. WhatsApp will begin preparing everything in the background, and once the setup is complete, you'll be ready to go. From now on, when someone sends you a voice message, you'll see a transcript appear right below the audio bar. You can read what they said instantly without needing to press play. This is super handy for moments when you're in a meeting, on public transport, or simply don't have headphones nearby. And that's it. Turning on voice message transcripts in WhatsApp takes less than a minute, and it can make your conversation smoother and more accessible. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might love this feature too. Thanks for watching.